Hello everybody, I just received this Ventus 2X GeForce RTX 5070. It is with DLSS 4 ray tracing. Yeah, it has a lot of things. As you can see it is with only two fans. The reason why I said I go to buy only with two fans is because I read it a lot on the internet that if you don't live in a too hot climate, then the two fans is no problem. So I said, yeah, why spend more money on an extra fan while you don't need it? And an extra fan means also that you need the space in your computer to put the card inside of it. And this card is a small form factor, as they call it. So yeah, you can put it in almost every computer. So as you can see here, in this box there is a power supply connector. I believe this is how much pins? I count 2 times 8 and 12. 2 times 8 and then it goes to 12, I believe. So this is the card. It is completely packed. Whoa, this is kind of heavy. And we also see some books in it. So this is what you get inside of the box. So yeah, as you can see, it is completely sealed. The weight, hold on a second, I go to take my scale to see how much the card itself weight. So here you have a scale that counts in grams. So we go to put it on it, and that's 780 grams, and then with the cable connector 780 grams, voila, 816 grams. So that's less than a kilogram, a little bit over a half pound. So yeah, this is the unboxing video of the RTX 5070. We are going to test it. I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away very nice prizes to people that subscribe to our channel. So I will show you also the card itself fast. So this is the card. It's everywhere plastic tape. This is for the PCI Express lanes. So it is 16 lanes, I believe, with PCI 5, and then you have, yeah, it's completely wrapped in plastic. So you have to, before you use it, you have to do the tape from it. So there is everywhere tape onto it. I am not sure how you can do it. Here you see something. Voila, I think it's like that. Voila. It goes from it like nothing. So this is that, and then you have here still tape. I see tape. Yes, it's everywhere. It's my first time I do this. I'm not going to push anything because I don't want to break anything. So I start here, I think. Yes, you see, if you start here, it's okay, I think. Voila, you can do it open like that. Voila, you can peel it off very easily. Huh? It is nothing special. There seems to be no wrap onto the wings from the ventilator, or how do you call it, from the fan. So there is no wrap onto it. It's only the back side and the upper side. So this is the card, as you can see it. And then you have here the DisplayPort. I believe it's 3 DisplayPort here, and then 1 HDMI. Voila, that's the HDMI. So I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like I told you. And then we go to test it. We go to benchmark it. We go to do every possible test with it. We go to use DaVinci Resolve. We go to do a lot of things with it. So don't forget to see that videos also. I will put them up very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.